I'm here to show this journal that I made. This is another free file that I got from Tara, and I will leave her information in the drop down box. And this is, I think it's called Bluebirds and Flowers or something like that. Anyways, I will find the right name and leave it down below. And I put on a little clip charm here, a little tie closure. And then this is the inside, some embossed paper, a couple little pockets, and the tags. This little poem came as part of the kit. Here's a little flip out receipt. This is the hibiscus dyed paper that's got a blue hue to it. These weren't part of the kit, but I found some other blue ephemera that matched, so I went ahead and added that in here as well. This one too. And here's another like lift out piece. And this is also removable as well. Little flip area here. Here. Some more of the ephemera pieces. The other part of the receipt here. I did do some light stenciling on some of the pages. Another little pocket. Here's the second signature. Oh, this one got stuck. There we go. I just put a little tab on here. Probably wasn't quite dry when I first added it, but it's fine now. Another little pocket with some ephemera pieces. Yeah, so this one is really pretty. It's just got a beautiful bird and flower theme in her printables, and I just love them. I just think they are so pretty. And there you go. That is another one. Thank you so much for stopping by, and leave me a comment and a like, and have a great day.